Today's helpful how-to video will be showing you how to remove your front fender on your motorcycle. Now this is basically the same on any motorcycle as I have ever come across. They might be a little bit different bracket setup, but most of them always mounts right here with two bolts, be it a crotch rocket, a sports bike, or a little, cruiser. So this is my V-Star XV250. You might seen it on previous videos. We chopped this fender, and I'm actually getting ready to paint this bike. So we're going to be, prepping everything. So I figured, let's go ahead and make a how-to video of removing your fender. Somebody might find it helpful. So let's jump into it. So in here where the wheel would go, I have seen some that is difficult to get to, and you have to remove your wheel, but most of the time you don't. So what you got is either Allen heads, or you got just a regular bolt like this, and it's righty tighty, lefty loosey. You got two of them here, and you got two here. Now if you got a bracket that holds your brake line on, you will need to put your bolts back in this. That's a good way to keep up with them, especially if you might want to put your fender back on, or if you saving your bolts for later. So let's go ahead and remove this. I said before, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just that simple. So I got two bolts on each side on this style fender. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to go ahead and take them out, and I'll show you what's left. Once you get all 4 bolts out, or depending on your bike, how many bolts it's holding it on, you can just pick up on your fender and remove it. This is a plastic style fender, and we shortened it down. If you want to see a video on how I shorten this, it's in the description below. So we're going to go ahead, since we got this bracket here, and put the bolts back in here so we don't lose them. So the bolts is installed on both sides of this. Looks pretty good. You won't never notice it at a distance, but to be honest, I kind of like it without the front fender. Kind of gives it that more old school look. So as always, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like. If you enjoy these videos, let me know in the comment section. If you got a motorcycle, what kind you got, I'd love to know. And be sure to show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.